wig, and I am in love with this one. It definitely checked all 3 boxes. We knew the price was great, because that's why I have it. Price is great, price point is great. They also have a sale going on right now. Beginner friendliness, super, super beginner friendly. I even was able, I believe, I pulled some half up, half down, and I love the way that looked. Y'all know this is my go-to. But all I had to do was take this out of the pack, spray it down with some water. I put a little mousse on the ends, and this is what we got. This has been on my head now for about 45 minutes, and the curl pattern dried down so pretty. And then the quality is 10 out of 10, but that's every unit that I get from BeautyForever. The quality is going to be 10 out of 10. This color is so pretty, y'all. I really, really like this color. And like I said, I've been trying to find this color in every wig that I can find or get it in. So I now have it in a water wave. I have it in a loose wave that I've gotten from BeautyForever. I have it in a straight that I've gotten from BeautyForever. So I absolutely love the color. I think that it is very flattering. This wig, 10 out of 10. It's hard for me to choose between the two which one I like best, because I think they both are gorgeous. But I do think that first one, hopefully I put some footage here, is going to be my Christmas or Christmas Eve hair as I sit on the couch doing nothing. This might be my wig that I use when I go shopping to go get my Christmas candy that is now marked 75% off that following week. That's this kind of wig. Like, I can just throw it on and go right out of the door. So they both are definite wins. If you look down in the description box, I'm gonna put a direct link to this one. And if you wanna see the video on the one that's half up, half down, just go back a few videos and you'll see it, because in my opinion, you need both. Talk to me in the comments, tell me what y'all's thoughts are. Which one did you like the best? I wish I would have gotten the loose wave in this color at that length. All right, you just need them both. Get both of them. Just go ahead and get both of the units. Because they both are super, 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 super nice. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.